Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a copy of one of your sheets in the Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay? Now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application right now. I've currently signed in into my freshly created brand new account, which I freshly created only for these videos. What you're gonna do is click on the three dots right next to your chosen sheet which you wanna make a copy of. I'm gonna choose this no one. Click on these three dots. Here you have to scroll down for a bit until you find an option called make a copy. Click on that and it will automatically make copy for you. You can edit it here and everything, but as you can see, if I go out here, you can see there's another sheet called copy of no. So yeah guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.